Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. Today is the last day of Hangul consonants. It's double consonants. In 쌍자음, 쌍 means double, so we use the same consonant twice. But it's not for every consonant. We can only use 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 시옷, 지읒 to make this 쌍자음. And they become like these: 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒.
쌍기역 끄 쌍디귿 뜨 쌍비읍 뿌 쌍시옷 스 쌍지읒 쯔
까, 꺼, 꼬, 꾸, 끄, 끼, 따, 떠, 또, 뚜, 뜨, 띠, 빠, 뻐, 뽀, 뿌, 뿌, 삐, 싸, 써, 소, 수, 스, 시, 짜, 쩌, 쪼, 쭈, 쯔, 찌. Let's practice the vocabularies for each double consonant. Good job, everyone! Now, you can write any sound you want to say using consonants and vowels. Because, like a puzzle, they are composed of consonant plus vowel. Don't forget to review the whole vocabularies you've learned so far. And please stay tuned for the next fun video of Miss Kiki. Thanks for watching. Bye!